Varun's making another drink for me, and I'm really excited to try this one. It has watermelon, and it has my favorite liquor.
And that is vodka. So today I'm using Kettleman vodka, and I'm making a drink. I'm not sure what to call it. I think I'm going to call it a melantini. So it's a watermelon martini. I'm sure you've had those before, but not like this one, because as you can see here on my glass, I have a nice black salt rim. And why black salt, you may ask? You know, when you go to have a nice fresh watermelon juice in the summer, then always is black salt in the watermelon juice and gives it a nice punch, a nice flavor. So that black salt rim with the watermelon and the vodka is going to be the perfect drink for you. I also have put a nice little Christmas ornament here in the shape of a watermelon, as you can see. So that's because of the season. I mean, we're in December, so why not be a little Christmassy? So let's get started. Very simple, just a regular martini. I have some ice in my shaker. And today it's a vodka martini, not a gin one. So I put about 60 ml of vodka in there. And some dry vermouth. I mean, that's probably too much. I'm not going to use all of it. So just a little bit of that. And now in this one, you'll see in a minute, there's another twist to it. And it's a surprise, so keep watching, okay? So first we shake this for about 30 seconds. And here's my surprise for you. So, I have made some ice cubes with watermelons, right? I'm going to drop them in there, and the beauty of this is I'm going to pour my traditional classic martini right over that, and with that you will get a nice infusion of watermelon flavor as you go through the drink. So, you know, when it starts off as a martini and it progresses to a nice melantini. And looks like a great pour. And take a look at that, guys. Get a close up. You have this nice floating cubes of watermelon in there, and my Christmas decoration made with watermelon, like I said, and a black salt rim. And that's my melantini. And time to taste it. Let's have our guest of honor do the honors. Here you go.
I can't wait. It looks so lovely. I don't want to spoil it.
Oh, come on, drink it.
Ooh, wow, that is lovely because of the salt rim.
And you're gonna bite into my beautiful ornament, aren't you?
Oh wow, yeah, we need to have the watermelon with it. It is just
You're getting the flavor of watermelon
amazing.
from the ice.
I'll have to put the ice in my mouth.
So that's the idea. So you taste a classic martini,
Yeah.
and as you go on, as the ice melts, it's gonna turn to watermelon juice, and you're gonna have a nice melantini. So this is a drink that you sip slowly, enjoy, and not gulp down, right? So I think take another sip now. Take another sip now. Let's see how it tastes now.
This is something that I could love. You know, I could have at a sundowner. I can just imagine sitting on the terrace and watching the sunset and have this beautiful drink.
Or on a nice beach, whenever COVID allows it. So that's it. That's my melantini.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you another drink next time.